Hey people, how you doing? Well, I'm really bored, and I'm blurry again for the 50th time. Okay, we're gonna call making vids in my room on me. It's pretty awesome. I have nothing to do, so I'm just gonna crack my back in the weirdest way you probably will ever see. So I'm gonna put on some awesome music, turn the camera down. Oh yeah, I know you want to see my nips before I do this. Okay, I'm gonna move the chair. Hi. Okay, what song should we play? Let's play some good song. There we go. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Okay, here we go. So meet me by the menorah, let's get drunk. It's Christmas in Hollywood, Santa's back up in the hood. So meet me under the mistletoe, let's rock. It's Hanukkah in Inglewood. I almost fell. Oh, that was fun, guys. Yeah, okay. No, enough music. Okay. Yeah, that was fun. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye.